Hi, my name is Edwin Benavides Lozano. I am 22 years old. I live in San Vicente del Caguán, Caquetá. I study music. My hobbies are going to the town center, walking, and visiting my family. In the mornings, and work, make me bed and clean my room. They brush my teeth and go to the exercise. After that, and come back and take breakfast to my father. Then I get ready to do my university work and take some time to rest. After that, during the rest and also during the month, where our family gatherings and home where pray, sing, and read the Bible. We also go out at night to work and enjoy.